I started using the AgOtter basically for monitoring. Sometimes we'll run 2-3 sprayers at the same time. At the time I was interested in real-time monitoring, which wasn't available, and I believe it is now, and I'll be upgrading one of my units. I have 2 this year. The AgOtter has really allowed me to keep track of what's going on because I can't always be there just watching the application, and I can't do all the applications myself. It's been really useful, great for keeping people honest when you can go back and see that the whole field and that they didn't cheat that last half a line they ran out on. It's really been good for that. I've been surprised. I think it teaches you a lot about your sprayers. You'll find that just having those flow meters on each side show you what's going on. Sprayers rarely put out exactly evenly on both sides. It tells you when it's time to change nozzles. You'll see the wear when it's time. Calibrating is much easier, much quicker. You can run simulations on speed while you're just sitting there. We'll do everything from 75 gallons an acre at 4 miles an hour to 300 gallons an acre at 1.5 miles an hour. So I do a lot of calibrating. It saves me a lot of time, gives me a lot of flexibility. Accuracy, before I would usually be happy with about, if I was about 10%, I would give myself either way. With AgOtter, I'm usually within 2%. So if I'm going for 100 gallons an acre over the course of a 40-acre field, I'll usually be somewhere between 98 and 102, and that holds true on dilute as well. I have sprayed 80 acres before, and when I looked at the summary, it comes out exactly on 100 gallons. But I mean, that's not the norm, but it is incredibly accurate. And it gives you a lot of feedback. If you do have problems, you can go back, see exactly where you had a problem. Troubleshooting, whether it be sand plugs or worn nozzles, or somebody simply stopped going the right speed somewhere in the field, you can go back and you can figure that all out. Overall, I've been very happy. Basic system, has an antenna, a control unit, wheel sensor, and 2 flow meters. So if you do have any problems, troubleshooting is really not too hard once you get used to the system. So I've got 2 systems. I plan on upgrading one so I can do the real-time monitoring this year, and possibly adding a 3rd system for some of the cherries and peaches.